Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Topher here. We're out here, first time on the season, with this 2016 R6 Yamaha 60th anniversary edition. I just put some new skins on the tires. As you can see, she's really fucking filthy. I really haven't washed this thing since like fall last year. It's kind of bad of me, I know. I have taken it out a couple times this year before I had the new tires put on it. This is probably my second ride with the new tires. They're kind of broken in. I put about 400 miles on them so far, so I'm pretty much safe to go. So yeah, I just got my camera set up to date. Looking forward to getting on the bike today. My bike's actually sinking in the ground here, so without further ado, I'm gonna hop on this bitch and let's get out of here. Feels like it's been too long since we've had a good day. It's 47 degrees out today. My jacket's clicking. My sweatshirt, it's hitting my helmet. The strings on my jacket. Yeah, we got a little bit of a plan today. We're gonna go hit up the car wash. Like I said, my bike is pretty fucking dirty. But we're gonna rip it. We're gonna fucking rip it, guys. It's been too long since I've been on the bike. It just feels so good to be back out again. I hope my stuff sounds good, my camera set up. This is like a test ride slash first video. So let's hope it's all good. Oh, tire got a little squirrely back there. Probably because I was getting really fucking cold. I hope the wind's not too bad. I hear a lot of fucking wind on my side. My microphone does have a little wind guard on it. I hope that makes a difference. Alright, we're almost at the car wash already, but this road coming up here, this is a fun little road. Should have warmed my tires up a little bit more. Warming them up, snaking the road. Oh. Illegal mezcal. Isn't illegal bad? That was illegal? Illegal is just a sick bird. That's what my dad's always told me. Get it? Illegal? We're fucking mobbing. Oh, gravel on the road there from the town park, or town park. That's the town, like a town workplace? I don't know what the fuck to call them. Town shop? I don't know. Like there's state ones, there's county ones, and there's town ones. That's a town. love this road. I gotta work on my trail braking though. Especially with how I fucking rip this thing. See what she got! Let's see what she got! Woo! Yep, about a minute away from the car wash, not even. No, it's probably a little bit more than a minute, but it depends who's driving. Here we are in the town of Berryville. Oh, we got someone using the car wash. Look at this, see this oil? You wouldn't guess what all this oil is from. It's from this here R6! It actually really is. I'll have to talk to you guys about that story as I'm washing off the bike. Move up here. Yeah, I made a little rookie mistake servicing my bike the other day. But it didn't come to bite me for a while. It was weird. Fucking kickdown kickstand. There we go. Look at this sexy bitch. Sheesh! Damn. Uh-oh. My exhaust is getting loose. I saw that. Fuck. I tighten that thing up all the time and it keeps loosening up on me. I think I need to get a new exhaust. Fuck, that sucks. Alright, let me shut this bitch off. And yeah, like I said as I was pulling up in here, guys, all that oil you saw was from my bike. So the other day, I have an MT-07 too, or 2024 MT-07. And I let my dad ride it, I let my brother ride it, I ride it. You know, I let the whole family drive it. We all get to use it. And I just serviced both bikes. And we went out for a ride. And we probably drove like 25 miles. I went to a gas station up in town. And then, next thing you know, we see someone with a truck there. Introduce herself to him. Yada, yada, yada. He comes into the story later, believe it or not. So that's why I brought him up. So yeah, my dad made good friends with the guy. He was an army, ex-army, not ranger, but soldier. So yeah, we met the army guy. He was really chill. He had some kind of, I forget what truck he had, but he did have a trailer on the back of his truck. And it was nighttime. It was like real dark. It was St. Patrick's Day, actually. Oh shit, I'm gonna get my phone soaked. So yeah, there was people drinking and stuff. And me and my dad leave the gas station. We just filled both of the bikes up. So then we go to, we come to here to wash the shit up. Wash your bikes. Damn, this stuff is not coming off. And I made it, it was another 25 miles to this spot from where we were. So I made it all the way to here. Right where you saw that oil. And I turned and I lost my drain plug. I dead ass lost my drain plug. I thought my oil filter failed. Yeah, I dead ass lost my drain plug. I thought my oil filter gasket failed. So you can see the oil trail really comes all the way to over here. Let's switch to soap. And I was ready to take my bike home, but it was kind of hard to get my bike home. you know, with no oil in it. I was like, Dad, my buddy actually lives up the road, or he used to. So I told him to go to his house and see if I could drop my bike off there for the night, and we'll pick it up in the morning, whatever, yada yada. And my friend doesn't live there anymore. His dad just lives there now. And so I didn't really feel comfortable leaving my bike, and I was like, Dad, do what you gotta do, go home, get a trailer. We don't have a trailer, but we got neighbors that have a trailer, and we could borrow one from them, you know. And he starts driving off the road, and from here it should be like 15 minutes before he gets, at least to get home. So it would have been another 30 minutes for him to get back, but he comes back within 10 minutes with the guy who was the army dude, who comes with the trailer and picks up my bike. Hey guys, I was just editing the video, and I remembered in the story I said that there was people drinking on St. Patrick's Day, and that it was St. Patrick's Day. Now that did come into play, I just forgot to mention how it came into play, so I'll do that now. So when my dad brought back the army dude with the truck and the trailer to pick up my R6, a cop actually followed them, and he was trying to pull over the guy who came and picked up my R6 for me. So the dude, he had a headlight out on his truck. The army dude kind of told him he had better things to worry about, and he was kind of wondering what we were doing. I told him what happened to my bike, and he was kind of like, yeah dude, that sucks. And then he said, yeah, I got some better things to do. And I'm not joking, he drove right down the road and he pulled someone over. He said there was a party going down the road, and he was waiting for people to leave so he could pull over drunk. So we saved the R6, we got it back. Luckily, my bike, I shut it off right when I shut it off right here. You can see all this stuff dropped. All this oil dropped out my bike after I shut it off. So she's still good. Luckily, I was so upset. I didn't know what I was gonna do if I had to buy a new engine for this thing. I don't have the funds for that right now. And I really do love this bike. I like my MT-07 too, but the MT-07 is not the R6. I got the bike clean. I'm gonna go pull up to a spot, show you guys the bike, then I'm thinking I'm gonna end the video off. That was kind of a short one, but it's the first one. We'll talk about some channel plans and stuff too. Check this out, fucking beautiful spot here, right? I'm not really supposed to be down here, but shh, don't tell no one, guys. This is the Delaware River in New York. That over there is PA. On the other side of the river I'm pointing. This side over here is New York. Yeah, it's really nice here. But yeah, let's talk about the R6. Like I said, that's my 2016 R6. Got it about 6-7 months ago. I got it in October of 2024. Alright. Right now it's currently March 25th, 2025. Coincidentally. Yeah, like I said, I just put some new tires on that bike. I believe they are Pirelli Angel GT tires. They were sport touring tires. I really would have preferred some more sporty tires, but they work. Hopefully they'll last longer than the tires I had on this bike before these tires, because they're supposed to be, they're not dual compound like my other ones, which, I mean, arguably kind of would have liked the dual compound, because you could really get in you could really rip in the corners quick with the dual compound. But yeah, these ones I really gotta wait for them to warm up, which I didn't do today, and I definitely felt that. I definitely felt a little squirrely in it. But yeah, channel plans. Let's talk about some channel plans. I do plan on posting like pretty much every week, at least one video a week. That's my goal. Is I'm gonna try to get one video a week out to you guys. Those videos are pretty much going to consist of me out on the bike, riding the bike, maybe here and there working on the bike, because I do parts to my bikes a lot. I'll show you guys the R6 another day. Maybe that'll be next week's video. I'll be riding the R6 out. I said the R6. I'll show you guys the MT-07. That one's got a lot done to it. I did buy that bike completely stock. It's got an impact tech crash cage on it, full of Kropovich exhaust, TST turn signals, TST rear kit delete, like tail tidy kit delete. I did that on this bike too. This bike, I pretty much just got it this way, besides the tail tidy kit and the quad lock. But I love this bike. I put about 3K on it since I got it. And here in New York, I can't ride the winters, so there's that. So I put quite a bit in it. But yeah, with all that said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you guys did like the video, don't forget to drop a like on the video. If you didn't like the video, don't be afraid. You can drop a dislike on it. I really won't give a shit, honestly. But if you do drop a dislike or a like, tell me down below what you liked or disliked about this video, what you guys want to see some future content. Mostly I'm going to be doing like day in the life videos and like just rides and shit like that. But yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like that, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next one. I'll catch you guys later. Adios.